Scuba diving is a thrilling and awe-inspiring activity that allows you to explore the depths of the ocean and encounter an array of fascinating marine life. It's no wonder that scuba diving has become a highly popular sport and hobby around the world. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just getting started, scuba diving offers a unique and unforgettable experience that you won't find anywhere else. If you are looking to explore the underworld, there are many options available. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced diver, there are countless destinations around the world that offer unforgettable dive experiences. From the clear tropical waters of the Caribbean and the Great Barrier Reef to the chilly waters of the North Sea and the Pacific Northwest, there's something for everyone when it comes to scuba diving. At its core, scuba diving is all about exploring the underwater world. With scuba gear, you can breathe underwater and stay submerged for extended periods of time, giving you the chance to get up close and personal with an incredible variety of sea creatures, coral reefs, and underwater landscapes. From tropical fish and sea turtles to shipwrecks and underwater caves, the sights and experiences you'll encounter while diving are truly breathtaking. As you descend into the water, you'll feel weightless and free, surrounded by the serene quiet of the underwater world. The feeling of being underwater is truly unique, and it's one that's difficult to describe in words. You'll feel a sense of calm and tranquility as you float along, watching fish dart by and admiring the vibrant colors of the coral reefs. Every dive is different, and you never know what you might see or experience during your time underwater. One of the most incredible aspects of scuba diving is the sense of discovery that comes with each dive. You never know what you might find lurking beneath the surface, and every dive offers the chance to uncover something new and exciting. From hidden caves and crevices to vibrant schools of fish and even sharks, the underwater world is full of surprises and mysteries waiting to be explored. For those looking for the adventure, there are plenty of options available. Whether you're a beginner or experienced diver, there are many destinations around the world that offer these experiences. From the tropical waters of the Caribbean and the Great Barrier Reef to the chilly waters of the North Sea and the Pacific Northwest, there's something for everyone when it comes to scuba diving. It is an incredibly rewarding and exhilarating experience that offers a unique glimpse into the underwater world. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just getting started, the sights, sounds, and sensations of scuba diving are truly unforgettable. So why not take the plunge and discover the incredible world that awaits you beneath the waves? Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe to help support our channel.